folks, welcome back. Yeah, I know I told you my next cook was going to be a pizza video, but we've been dodging rain all day long the last few days, so that's not happening. And I ran across a pork loin today that I'm going to just do out here on the gas grill just because it's so close to the door and I can jump in and out if it starts raining. Right now it's dry as a bones. So let's get going on this pork loin, not pizza. Okay, this is it's just under 4 pounds, I think. It's got a fair amount of fat. I'm gonna trim some of that off. I don't care if I leave some on there, but I gotta get some of this off of there anyway. So I'm just gonna go through here and trim it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have more than I want. That's a pretty thick cut of fat right there. Don't mind a little fat. Fat is flavor, right? But I also like the fact that these are pretty lean cuts, and if you get them to the right temperature, it's not a big deal, which is what we're shooting for. 140, 145 internal temp when we're done. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna leave the rest on there like that. Looks pretty good on the other side. Okay, for our rub, I'm not gonna use a binder or anything on this. I just got this from Porter Road, even though this chunk of meat is not from Porter Road. This is All Things Roast. I've used this on other things. It's great stuff. I love it. Just for easy pouring, I transferred it to another container. And we're just gonna season this baby up. Pretty big chunk of meat, so you can put it on fairly liberal. On the other side, we got the grill heating up outside. Got some cherry wood. We're using cherry wood just for a little smoke on here. Alright guys, when it comes up to tip, we're gonna get her on there. Probably throw a little sear on it, then we'll pull it up overhead and let her cook in direct. Alright folks, as you can see, we got a little smoke rolling here, so it's time to get this thing on. I'm gonna bring this over here and just let her sear for a bit, for a few minutes on each side. Check back with you in just a few. Alright guys, let's give this a flip. Oops, that thing's heavy. Alright, get her sear on the other side. I'll stand this up on its ends here in a minute and get that seared as well. Alright guys, I will apologize for the AC noise, but get this over here. Get this up top. We're going to lower the heat some. And we're just going to let her cook the rest of the way. Get some smoke on this. This is cherry wood, guys. I think that goes great on pork. I don't know if I've said that already, but yeah, cherry wood is the wood choice of the day, and we will get at least a little hint on here. So we'll check back here in maybe 15 or so minutes. Alright, we are about 15 more minutes into this up top here. I'm just going to give this a flip. Got a ways to go. I can tell how soft that is. We're not close. So a little bit longer and I will float rotate it 180 degrees. Alright guys, I'm going to change everything just a little bit. Spin this around. My AC unit is going like crazy. Last time I tried this on something, it kind of fell off there, but not this time. My smoke is about played out, which I'm okay with. And just for kicks and grins, I want to get the temperature on this. We're not close. Yeah, we're closer than I thought. We got a ways to go. I'm going for 140, 145. Alright, we'll keep her going. By the way, we're cooking at about 400 degrees. When I seared it, I was about 450. And when I pulled her up top, I backed her off to 400. So we're not in a big rush at the moment. So we'll keep her going. Check back in a little while. I changed my mind. I decided I wanted a little bit more smoke on here. I stirred that up and got it going again, so there we go, a little bit more smoke. Take a look here, and definitely got more smoke going. I'm gonna flip this. We're getting there now, I can feel it. It's getting pretty firm. Let me get some temperatures on this. Yeah, we're very close. We're 130. Yeah, we're very close, guys. On the ends we are there. In the middle is what I'm worried about. Definitely 140, 37, 36. Next time I see you guys, I'll be pulling this off and taking her in to rest. Let's see where we're at here, folks. Yeah, 141. Yeah, we're there. I'm gonna pull this. I know it's higher than that on the ends. Yeah, we're there, guys. I'm pulling this. I'm gonna take it inside and let it rest, and we'll cut this up for you. Nice, we'll see you inside, where it's cool. All right, guys, would you look at that? That is beautiful. I can smell the cherry wood. I don't believe I got, you're not gonna see no smoke ring on here, but it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be more than well done here on the ends, but I'm gonna slice this thing towards the middle. It is definitely hot. We've let it rest for about 15 minutes. It's looking better. Definitely, guys, look at here. Pull that out of there. Plenty of juices in there. It's very tasty, but we'll get a taste of that here in just a second. Let me get my family fed, and I'll come back and do a taste test with you, all right? All right, guys. Check that out, guys. That tears, very juicy. Get a taste of this. Make sure I get some of that seasoning. That is delicious. That All Things Roast from Porter Road is one of my new favorite seasonings, rubs, whatever. Little hint of, which is what I was going after, just a little hint of that cherry wood on there. The key to these roasts, I'm gonna talk while I chew. The key to these roasts is temperature. Going for more of a medium well on mine because I like that juiciness in the middle. And they're so lean you can dry them out real quick. So 140, 145, I think towards the ends. I was actually at 150. I'm okay with that as long as you don't go over. It's gonna rise a little bit in the rest, and we rested this for about 15 minutes. So all in all, it turned out delicious. I'm gonna get one more bite for you. Make sure I get some of the outer so I can get that seasoning. Delicious, guys. I know I told you I was going to do a pizza cook on this one, and I will be doing pizza. We just had little small cells of rain and storms popping up for the last few days, and there's nothing you can really do about it. Even though it's dry out there now, we had heavy rains earlier, so, and I drove through a few in different parts of town as I was driving about today, so couldn't take the chance of setting up the pizza oven. So next time we will have a pizza cook, and you will see the new rotating pizza oven in action. So until next time, guys, we will see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.